Good morning. I just wanted to check in with you. I noticed that you have not completed an assignment, and I wanted to make sure that you knew exactly what to do, so I'm making this quick video for you. Um, First of all, what you're going to do is whenever you get onto your phone, your iPad, or your laptop, you're going to type in NEISD. That will take you to the home page. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Launchpad. Now, it will probably ask you to log in, and if it does, then what you're going to do is you're going to type in your student email, and your student ID is your password. For example, if my daughter were to type it in, it would be like A Aceves, and then the last four digits of her student code at stu.neisd.net. And then it would be her student code as her password. After that, you're going to click this. You're going to go into your Google Classroom. And as you can see, it's going to have a whole bunch of tabs. You're going to choose your Google Classroom tab. So I'm going to click on sixth grade right here. So what I did to make it a little bit easier for you is I have put like a little bit of an agenda right here. First thing I want you to do is watch the YouTube video. Then you're going to read the Google Classroom guidelines. Then you're going to complete the vaping assignment. And if you're bored, you're ready to learn more, I'd love to see you complete an extension learning assignment from the Choice Board and do Power Up. And so what I also did here is if you scroll down, I have this in order of how I want you to do it. See how this says number one? So the first thing I would do is watch the YouTube video. This one's number two. You're going to read over the Google Classroom guidelines. And number three is the vaping crisis assignment. This is what I'd like you to do. And number four is your extension activities. So in order to get this vaping crisis assignment done, you're going to click on classwork. And then you're going to click on the vaping crisis. Now mine looks a little bit different from yours, so I'm just going to click View Assignment. And this is how it should look like at your end. So you're going to click View Assignment as well. And these are the directions. Please read the following article. Follow the directions. What I also did at this point is I made you a YouTube tutorial about how to complete your assignment. Once that's done and you've got that turned in, you've officially completed your assignment for a resource. But I'd love to see you take advantage of the extended learning we have with the Choice Board and the Power Up. Let me know if you have any questions or you're still struggling, and I'm happy to help. Miss you guys. Bye.